what's up everybody, Sami here. Today I'm going to compare the camera performance of the Xiaomi 15 Pro, Huawei Mate 70 Pro and Vivo X200 Pro. In this video I want to talk about the specs, especially those exclusive camera technology invented by these manufacturers, which are probably just gimmicks to trick you into buying them. I just put photos and videos head to head so you can decide which one is better. That's it. So make sure to subscribe. Those are my lovely kids. What? Oh, let the pop on. And that's it. So make sure to subscribe, like, and comment with what you think. And now without further ado, let's get started, okay? Okay. Now that you've seen some of the photo comparisons, what do you think about it? And which one stands out the most to you? Please leave your comments below. Before I continue, I'd like to take a moment to thank today's sponsor, Wondershare Repairit. If you ever deal with cropped video or audio files, you know how frustrating it can be to lose that content. Repairit is a powerful software that can help you quickly repair damaged files and get them back to normal. Like this video I shot a few days ago, which got corrupted for no reason. Thanks to Repairit, I just dragged it into the software, click repair, and magically it was back to normal so I could finish my project on time. The Repairit V6 version is the first in the industry to support global gyroscope data repair and PPTX data rewriting repair. Repairit works with photos, videos, documents, and more. It's super easy to use and supports both Mac and Windows. So if you're interested, definitely check out this amazing repair software in the description. Now back to the camera comparison. K30 stabilization test. What? 慢点，慢点。So, who has the better stabilization? Alright, 4K, 30 FPS for the front camera. The reason why I didn't shoot focus 60 is because at night focus 6 doesn't perform that well, so I just set to 4K 30. Let me just run a little bit so you can see how is the stabilization, how is everything with it. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Uh, okay, that's it. 4K30 zoom, ladies and gentlemen. Ultra wide. Ultra wide. So, all right. So these are the ultra wide. Okay. Yeah. You can see the finger pops in the camera, but anyway. So this is the ultra wide. One. Okay. Woo. I think we definitely have a loser here for Xiaomi, where you can see the highlighted parts. It cannot see anything. I think the best is like on the Vivo. I can see the highlights part. You can see just see here, okay? I mean here, okay? You can see the character clearly in this highlight part, but for Xiaomi you see here nothing, just totally blown out. Okay, two times. Okay, let's zoom in to the text. All right, still Xiaomi the worst. Wow, I think Huawei leads the game, right? And then 5 times on Xiaomi, 4 times on Huawei, and 3.7 times on what? On Vivo, you see? Okay, this is 2 times. But when you switch to 3.7, what? No way. Okay, let's just switch to 5 times. Wow, 5 times. Now these are all at 5 times zoom. Wow, that Huawei is amazing. Vivo, surprisingly, I guess just switch to another lens. So 5 times it looks all ballooned out. It's like the worst among the 3, but Huawei, just check out. Oh my goodness. And then 10 times. And 10 times. Now this is the 10 times. Wow, still I think Huawei is the best. Wow. Oh my god, Huawei is the best. Now you just check out this thing. Check out the text. Right? Okay, for Vivo it's supposed all the way up to 20 times. Okay, 20 times. You can see clearly. And for Huawei also supposed all the way up to 20 times. Okay, 20 times. It's but if like for 20 times, like I think Vivo is better because you can see very clear the small text on the corner, but Huawei is not. You cannot see very clear, right? And now 15 times on the Xiaomi, but even on Xiaomi 15 times, I can see clear the small text 3, characters. Here, I try to point out to you. Okay, this here, right? But anyway, that's a zoom. Huawei really surprised me, to be honest. This is the one time. All right, now zoom test 4K30. This is the main camera. We go to ultra wide, and this is the ultra wide. Whoa! This is the ultra wide, and I'll go to one. Here, I cannot see much difference. Probably the same, and 2 times. No, 2 times. Oh, and this we can see very clear that I think on Xiaomi it looks a little bit too grainy. On Huawei, the same. I guess. Or I have to watch this on, on computer. And 5 times on Xiaomi, 2 times, 4 times on Huawei, and 3.7 times on 3.7 on Vivo. Alright, so are there much big difference? I cannot see. And then 10 times, 10 times, 10 times, also 10 times. Okay, let's just see the text. All right, just see text. Okay, let's see the text. Huawei looks a little bit too grainy, I guess. Well, I think the best is the on Vivo. You can see very clear the text and not soft, looks very sharp. Also, Xiaomi is good, but I think the worst is the on Huawei Mate 70 Pro, right? And now let's go to 15 times, and this is 15 times on Xiaomi, and for Huawei let's go to 20 times. Okay, 20 times. Vivo also 20 times. You can see the difference. Okay, now you can see the difference. Obviously, Vivo is the best of this, right? Now over 4K 60. Wow, like 3 high, really different tone colors, right? I don't know if you look separately. I think they all could, but if you put all together, who has the natural one? Who has the closest, to your naked eye? I guess is the, I don't know. It's like Huawei, right? Because look more handsome in the video, but I don't know. Let's just whoa. 4K 60 stabilization. Let me just run a little bit. Okay, I think both are pretty good, right? Pretty good. Well, you can see the sky overexposed. Cool. Okay. Now 4K 60. Pretty. Oh, look pretty steady. You just hand hold it. Wow. You see this phone stabilization gimbal are all dead now, because you can see all this. That looks just so steady without those things. Okay. Even run like crazy. Just to give an idea, I will just put the Osmo Pocket 3 so you can see the difference. Alright. Whoa! Let's just check it out. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm comparing with the Pocket 3. Okay.